SMCI stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday is super microcomputer stock buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief, short 1-minute video. Now, as the only person in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and I mainly documented everything. Yesterday, we gapped down quite hard. 18-19% down is just tough numbers. But I would say like it's nothing unusual. Sometimes we're going to have these crashes because look how consistently this thing has been going on ever since like May, right? It went from like $30 to like 60, it doubled in like 2-3 months span period. And guess who was here looking to take things further up? Well, me, and it was 33 bucks at that time. And then regarding this, one thing that I care most about is the price pulling a bit lower than giving me a double break from here, right? Because if that doesn't happen, then I'm not going to be buying. And I'll just get rid of this. Technically counting this as the whole demand zone area from which I want to see the double break from happening. And I'll definitely have to wait, you know, with just this amount of limited freaking candles, there's no way I'm pulling this trigger because this is more so of a swing. And I would just much rather prefer to see the shift happening because then intraday trades can also just all be biased towards this long side. So that's how SMCI is looking like for me. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.